new transition pack includes 5 main categories and 30 subcategories. Reworked and handy preview mode. You can always find what you need within a few seconds. Welcome to Video Library. This is an ultimate package of over 1,000 ready-made scenes and presets for any photo or video content. Stop spending your time on hours and hours and hours of routine work. Just open Video Library and enjoy. Add scenes in one click and your slideshow is ready. Fast switch between categories in Extension and create beautiful slideshows instantly. Just change presets with quick navigation to open a new style of your video. Categories of presets will help you to create a slideshow for cases. If you need to promote your company or service, use business presets. Surprise your colleagues and clients by your cool presentation. Show to friends how cool you are with extreme presets. Vintage category will help you to save your memories. A lot of styles and elements for different uses will help you promote your blog, make a professional slideshow, and capture the views of thousands of people. Just see how boring it looks without preset and how awesome with it. Video Library is really easy to use because it includes a great panel toolkit with a friendly interface. And our online help center will help you with any questions. Also, you will get new presets free every month. Video Library, a new way to create.